how to enable or disable clean preview on HDMI display for camera output on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera setting, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, scroll down to end and you will see showing you clean preview on HDMI displays. If you want to enable clean previews on HDMI displays, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, clean preview on HDMI displays is enabled. If you want to disable clean previews on HDMI displays, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, clean previews on HDMI displays is disabled. You will enable or disable clean previews on HDMI displays. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable clean previews on HDMI display for camera output on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.